Before the devastating fires of 2025, Los Angeles was a vibrant and luxurious city that symbolized glamour, opportunity, and innovation. Renowned for its stunning neighborhoods like Beverly Hills, Malibu, and Santa Monica, LA was a hub of architectural elegance and scenic beauty. Luxury mansions with sprawling gardens and infinity pools adorned the hills, offering breathtaking views of the Pacific Ocean and the city's glittering skyline. High-end boutiques, Michelin-starred restaurants, and iconic landmarks like the Hollywood Walk of Fame and Rodeo Drive attracted visitors from around the world. The city pulsed with creativity, being the heart of the entertainment industry, where cutting-edge studios and historic theaters like the TCL Chinese Theater were part of its charm. Los Angeles was also home to diverse cultural experiences, from the Getty Center's world-class art exhibitions to Venice Beach's bohemian energy. The iconic palm-lined streets, year-round sunshine, and a blend of modern and mid-century architecture made LA a symbol of luxury and lifestyle. Green spaces like Griffith Park and Runyon Canyon added to the allure, providing urban dwellers with access to nature amidst the city's hustle. The vibrant nightlife, innovative tech hubs, and a thriving fashion scene further cemented Los Angeles as a global beacon of luxury and progress, until the fires of 2025 drastically altered its landscape.
Oh Allah, our protector so divine. Through the flames let your mercy shine. Ya Ghafuru Rahim, cleanse our sin. In your shelter let peace begin. Ya Al-Malik, the King, hear our plea. Set us free from this calamity. Ya As-Salam, the source of peace. Let this anguish finally cease. Oh Allah, most loving, most great, righteous mercy seal our fate. In your shadow we'll always stay. Guide us to your light, we pray. Oh Allah, our protector so divine. Through the flames let your mercy shine. Ya Ghafurur Rahim, cleanse our sin. In your shelter let peace begin.
In the aftermath of the devastating 2025 fires, Los Angeles has been left scarred and struggling to rebuild. Entire neighborhoods that once stood as symbols of luxury and glamour have been reduced to ash. The city's vibrant energy has given way to a somber atmosphere, as thousands of people face the heartbreaking reality of losing their homes, possessions, and cherished memories. Iconic landmarks, lush green spaces, and architectural marvels have been destroyed, leaving behind a sense of emptiness and despair. For many residents, the emotional toll is overwhelming. Families who once enjoyed lives of comfort and stability now grapple with uncertainty, living in shelters or temporary accommodations. The loss of community is profound. Neighbors who once shared moments of joy and celebration now console one another amidst shared grief. The memories tied to their homes and belongings weigh heavily, as these items represented years of hard work, love, and dreams. Feelings of fear and helplessness linger, with many questioning how they will rebuild their lives in a city that looks so unrecognizable. Despite the tragedy, there are glimmers of resilience and unity. Communities have come together to support one another, while rescue teams, volunteers, and organizations work tirelessly to provide aid and hope. However, the road to recovery remains daunting, and for many, the emotional scars may take far longer to heal than the physical destruction left behind by the fires.